Class 10th, in the series of important question of similar triangle, let us solve the next question of exercise 6.5. Question number 14, the perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersect the BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD. You can see in the figure, prove that the 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Let us see the solution. So listen student, question number 14. DB is given 3CD in triangle ABC and we have to prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So again I want to remind regarding the strategy. Strategy is that we need the AB square, AC square, BC square. So AB square we can find in triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square by Pythagoras. Okay student, so we will write the reason by Pythagoras. Now we need the AC square. So AC square fall in triangle ADC. So in ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Same reason, Pythagoras. Now listen student, we need here AB square, AC square, and we also need the BC, but BC we cannot take by the Pythagoras. So first of all, let us remove the AD square because we don't need the AD square. So let us subtract this one. So I am subtracting here directly. You have to write, subtract the equation 1 and 2. So AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square cancel. Okay student, then DB square minus CD square, AD square cancel, and remaining DB square minus CD square as it is. Now listen student, DB and CD square, AB square, AC square we need, but again we don't need the DB and CD. Now we can do one thing, very simple way, AB square minus AC square using the A square minus B square identity. This DB plus CD into DB minus CD. Okay student, A plus B, A minus B, identity A square minus B square. So this will be A plus B, A minus B means DB plus CD, DB minus CD. So AB square minus AC square, DB plus CD. See, DB plus CD is equal to BC. So we can write here BC. DB plus CD, we can write BC. Now DB minus CD, so we have to use this relation given DB is equal to 3CD. So in bracket we will write 3CD minus CD. So this will be BC, 3CD minus CD, it is 2CD. Okay student, so AB square, finally we got my AB square minus AC square is equal to BC into 2CD. How 2CD you understood? Listen again, we subtract the DB minus CD. DB is given 3CD. 3CD in place of DB and CD as it is, so subtract 2CD. Now listen students, we need BC, so we got the BC also, but we don't need the CD. So for CD we have to do some efforts. Listen, can we write here the CD plus DB is equal to BC. CD plus DB is equal to BC because BC is made of the CD and DB. Now in place of DB again I am writing 3CD. So it will be CD plus 3CD is equal to BC. So 4CD is equal to BC. We are using the CD and DB relation which is given in the question. So CD is equal to BC upon 4. So we will use this CD is equal to BC upon 4 in this equation. So I erase this portion, you can see in the back. Now CD is equal to BC upon 4 we'll use here. So we will write here AB square minus AC square is equal to 2 BC into CD. So in place of CD I am using BC upon 4. Okay student, you can see it. I erase this one. So CD, in place of CD I have written here BC upon 4. Okay student, now this will be cancelled. It will be BC into BC means BC square upon 2, 2 to the 4, and this is again AB square minus AC square. Now cross multiply, this will be 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. Okay student, see this one, simply I cross multiply 2AB square 2AC square. Now 2AB square is equal to, this will be shifted this side, 2AC square plus BC square. This we needed to prove, so hence proved. Okay student.